Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to make keema fry in Kashmiri style. For that we need 500 grams lamb mince or keema, 1 onion finely chopped. I have taken salt, 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon meat masala powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seed powder, and half teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Also I have taken half teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. You can take green chilies finely chopped, like 2 green chilies, but I have made a paste of 1 green chili, and oil. So in a pan I have taken almost 3 tablespoons of oil, or you can take as per your choice. So once the oil is hot, I am going to keep the flame on low and hand crush cumin seeds and add to this oil. Then I am going to add the onion and cook them till they are soft. After 10 to 15 minutes of frying it on medium to high flame, the onions have become translucent. Now I am going to add the chili paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, and saute it nicely. Keep sauteing it for 3 to 4 minutes till all the raw smell goes. After sauteing for 3 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame, now I am going to add the lamb mince or keema and cook it on high flame till all the moisture is dried up or all the water is absorbed. Mix it nicely. As you can see, the water has dried up. So at this point I am going to add salt. I have added salt and will give a good mix. After 2 minutes of frying it again, I am going to add all these spices that I showed you before and mix it nicely. I'm going to fry it on medium flame till oil comes on the sides. It will take another 5 to 10 minutes. At this stage, you can adjust the salt and give it a good mix and continuously stir it on medium flame. As the keema has dried up and oil is coming on the sides, so I am going to keep it on low flame and cover it with the lid for minimum 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can stir also it in between so that it doesn't stick to the pan. So after 10 minutes of cooking it on low flame, I have lifted the lid and here our keema is ready. Here you can garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, but since I was running out of coriander leaves and I have not added it here, so at this stage you can add the coriander leaves and yeah, serve it. Our keema is ready. You can freeze it and add it in samosas, patties, but I like it to have it with rice. So yeah,